Hi, I am Saad. We are here in Fujairah. Let us take a quick tour in Fujairah Classic place. Starts around maybe 3 or 4 years ago. The guy who did it is the owner of the place. It's the Fuj Classic. So whenever the summer comes here and we cannot drive the cars, we come here and sit. And this is my car. I own this car 2009, so almost 16 years now. It's V-Spec 2, small modifications. You know, the wheels, titanium exhaust. So it's like a daily use car. The left-hand drive, I did it because of, you know, the old rules because of the registrations. So it was converted in 2004 before I buy the car. So the previous owner. This is my previous car. I sold it around 6 years ago. My friend Hassan he owns the car now. It's only 21,000 kilometers. It's Midnight Purple 2, and it has also the Tomicara cluster. This is my car. 1995 Midnight Purple, fully S1 engine made by Nismo. I have all the paperwork. I just replaced the headlights. I put the S3 Xenons. Usually it's like LFGT4 10.5. I bought it with the black color. I just CNC'd, sprayed on the old style Nismo LMGT4, and it has the R34 seats, Nismo steering wheel. So most of the parts is Nismo. For me, my best car, driving, looking good, everything. So it's my best is the R33. More than the left-hand drive, more than the R34, and more than R32 also. This is my car, 1993 GT-R. It's all stock. It has all 18 suspension and Kai wheels. That's all. Also 31 kilometers only. Yeah, I have the 1977 Camry, but not GT-R, the normal one. It has the RB30 engine. I have the R32, also the maroon color, red color, and also I have the blue Stagia, S15, Supra Aero top, that's Targa in the United States, that's the right-hand drive. So this is a new project, will be started maybe after 3 or 4 months. He's the same owner of the Midnight Purple, Hassan. It will be all HKS parts in it, 2.8 engine, VCAM, even the HKS brakes, so even the seats, everything will be installed in it. It will be HKS. So maybe it will be finished by GT-R Festival 2026. This car, its owner is the same owner of this place. It's RB25 Turbo, 5-speed manual, all-wheel drive, Stagia. We did the front end here in UAE in a small workshop in our place. This car, the owner is Khalid Swedi. He bought this car around 2 years ago. It's 1985 930. It has the RWB body kit. So this car is also the owner of this place. He owns also the Stagia. Like this car, we bought it now almost 2 years. It only has 30,000 kilometers on the 2 clusters. Mine's project. The rare things are the wheels. You know, the magnesium wheels. They only made 20 sets, and it has too many rare parts of mine. So we will start on this part. You know, we bought this car and it was on the mine's demo car. So only one of 4 pieces, and we have the side mirrors. It's also the rare green mine's side mirrors, and we have also here this part. So all mine's here, even the spoiler here. We have the mine's exhaust system, titanium one. We have the Sparco steering wheel, which was on the original demo car. We have the center console. So we have the mine's owner. He signed on it. For now, only we have this coolant panel from Mines, and we have that's all. Mines parts are a little bit rare and you cannot find it easily. So any parts of Mines that we get here in Japan, in United States, even in Australia, just we buy it, install it. Here where we sit, and here we take our food, lunch, especially in summer. And this TV where we see the motive media on YouTube. Here we have some memories, so we will take pictures with you. We will put your picture also here. Michael Schumacher, his signature here. We have here some AMG stuff. I don't care about them. Others care. Here in Fujairah, we have like too many owners, or Skyline owners. Sometimes we meet, but if you want to have a fun drive, like good places, like too many people, just we go to the pool.
After our shop tour, Saad took us to meet some of his friends in the Fujairah area. We didn't take the camera, but couldn't help share some photos. Arriving at SPG, we didn't expect to see an old-school drag R33 from Japan, sporting more modern Garrett turbos, but still sporting the air-shifted transmission. We also didn't expect to see a 2JZ swapped R33 with auto-select body kit that had some pretty cool custom billet cam covers that made it look like an RB26. The adventure continued into the night and showed that you never know what you'll find anywhere across the globe when it comes to the GT-R scene.